All right, let's talk strategy for 22.3. First and foremost, we need to know exactly how many pull-ups you're going to be doing at a time. I recommend taking small sets. Most of us will burn out and fatigue with large chunks of pull-ups. It is going to be crucial for you to know what rep scheme you can stick with. And remember, singles are very fast. So if you struggle with chest to bar pull-ups and you know that maybe if you do 3, you're gonna have to take a long rest, I recommend doing singles. You're also gonna wanna save your hands. So if you rip off large chunks of pull-ups, you might not be able to hold on to the bar for the bar muscle ups. So make sure that you save your hands. If you feel that burning sensation, take a little break. All right, usually a workout like this, you're gonna be really good at one of the moves and maybe not so great at the other. So if you know that you can't string together so many pull-ups and you are going to be taking rests, it's not gonna be as metabolic for you, then you might wanna push it a little bit harder on the double unders and the thrusters. If thrusters per se are very challenging for you and you know that they jack your heart rate up, but you can kind of push it on the pull-ups, then decide for larger sets on the pull-ups. Now, if you know that bar muscle ups are a challenge for you, you are going to want to sprint through the beginning portion of this so that you have time to maybe get that first bar muscle up rep. If you do sprint through the first 2 rounds, make sure that you shake it out and you take at least 90 seconds before attempting that first one. Missed reps are exhausting to the human body and they're really frustrating to the mind. So you wanna make sure that you're as prepared as possible for that first attempt. The double unders are not a huge part of this workout unless they are frustrating for you. If they are and you are apprehensive about those double unders, take your time. There's not that many reps. Get yourself set, get yourself focused so that you don't waste too much time getting through those double under reps. This is gonna be fast, this is gonna be tough. It is the last open workout of 2022. So get after it, stay safe, have fun, and I will see you on the leaderboard.